We are recording packet tracer and we'll be viewing the PDU information sent between a client and a server. Step 1. Observing traffic between a client and a web server. Enter the simulation mode by clicking the simulation tab. Okay. And the next step is to view the traffic by creating a complex PDU in the simulation mode. So we need to make sure we have HTTP and TCP selected, and then we need to add a complex PDU by clicking the open envelope. So I'll move this down here. Here's our open envelope. And we'll click the external client. Now we'll put in our information. First we need to make sure that we are on HTTP. And then we need to click the Cisco WebLearner website. With our open envelope, so I'll just click that, and that'll put our destination IP address on. And then for our source port, we're going to make sure it's at 1000. So I'll type in 1000 for there. And then we need to make sure our simulation settings are set to periodic and at 120 interval seconds. And then we need to click the create CPU. And I'm going to open up a viewpoint, smaller one, so you can see what is going on. If you look real closely there, you have our envelope ready to go to the server over to here. And to do this, you just need to double click this if it's stuck up here and move it down so you can see the whole thing. Mine won't show you the whole thing because it's not big enough. And then we just need to click the auto capture play. So I'm going to click that now, and it's going to run through its cycle. Remember to speed it up. You just need to go below the capture, auto capture, and the horizontal bar there. Just slide it forward for it to speed it up. We are now waiting for it to complete. When the buffer is full, the window appears. Close the window with the X. So that's what we're waiting for right now. and should be done. And there's the buffer full. And then we just press, well, it won't let me press the X button on it. And so then we go ahead and go to the view header information packet that travels across the network. I'm going to close this panel up here and examine the header of the packet sent between the client and the server. So, need to, in the simulation panel, click any of the lines in the event list that displays an envelope in the work area that represents that line. So what we'll do is we'll click this one. Let's see here. In the envelope. I guess we'll click the envelope. And here's the header stuff. And sending, frame higher processes, framework MAC address found, table of switch. This undercast frame looks in its MAC table for the destination MAC address. And click the inbound or that's the iOS, what we just looked at. I just read you the description. We'll click the inbound and or the outbound details. Actual packet sent. Note that the MAC address within the frame, the IP address information within the packet, and the source and the destination port and port number within the segment. Click through the other events lines to read those descriptions as well. Not much to say in there. And then this is the outbound. Has everything you need in here. Destination MAC, Siri MAC. And that's about all we have. Thank you for watching.